Hi, I'm Chad, and you're watching Squarebody Stuff. Check these guys out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're going to be doing something just a little bit different than what we've ever really done before on this channel. Is we're going to do some product testing. Now, a couple weeks ago, while we were at the truck gathering truck show in Norman, Oklahoma, we got to talk to a bunch of cool people, meet some fans, just hang out and see a bunch of cool trucks. But one of the cool peoples that I got to meet and talk to was Brad from BNCO Designs. BNCO Designs is a company that they make a lot of cool billet stuff for these trucks. Also 67 through 72 trucks. They obviously make these headlight rings, and they come in either the polished aluminum or black anodized. Now, a few other products they make are door handles, lock knobs. They make some billet grills. Go check out their website, see all the products that they offer. It's really cool stuff. It is kind of some high-end stuff that really don't fit with, you know, what we got going on with Squeaky here, but we decided to go ahead and give these headlight rings a try and see how they fit up on these square bodies. Now, these headlight rings are actually listed as kind of a universal fit, but they were actually designed to fit the headlight buckets on the 67 through 72. So Brad asked if I would want to take a set home to try out on Squeaky or whatever truck I want to use them on to see how they fit the square body, see if there's any differences. It's kind of a little bit of an R&D type thing, and I'll give him the feedback, you know, from whatever I find out. Now, the 67 through 72, if you have an aftermarket style headlight, these apparently supposed to fit like just a plug and play type thing. The holes line up perfectly, I guess. But if you're using the factory style glass sealed beam, you'll need to grind the nubs off of the glass housing or the glass face. And what I mean by the nubs are these little guys here, which it could be easily done with the flapper wheel, the grinder. You just got to take your time, don't overheat it so you don't crack the bulb. So I've already got the driver's side already fit up just to see how it's going to work out, see what I need to do. We'll move over to the passenger side and I'll show you what I had to do to make these work in the square bodies. Now, for the square bodies, you won't be able to use the factory screws. You'll have to find some little bit longer ones because the tabs don't seat all the way down to the headlight bucket. Not a big deal. These were some I just found in my bolt bin. You can go to the store and find some nice stainless steel ones, but they just need to be a little bit longer. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the new ring, and then we could show you how far off the hole is for this one tab. I'm not sure if they're going to try to upgrade these and add an extra tab so they're more of a direct fit for the square bodies. Not sure what they're going to do with that, but that's kind of the cool thing about this. I can give him the information on, you know, what I found out, and they could do what they need to with it to maybe make their product a little more universal. As you can see, the top and the right hand side one fits perfectly. This is the one that's off. It's off by about, no, maybe 3/4 of an inch or so. But it's in there nice and sturdy. You can also see where the ring rests on those nubs on the headlight. Now, again, universal fit. You could try to make these work on whatever you have that's got a 7-inch round headlight. Won't be guaranteed to fit, but if you have a square body, this is how you make them work. I had to bring Ole Squeaky outside to get a natural light look on them, just to see how they look. Yeah. Oh, well, he likes them. Now, if you're interested in any of their products, these headlight rings, door handles, any of the other stuff they have, go check out their website. Again, it's down in the description box below. Click that link. Let them know Chad from Squarebody Stuff sent you. Of course, the original plan for these things was I was going to install them, take them back off, box them back up, send them back to Brad. I think I'm going to keep them. I'm going to have to work out a deal with him. I appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, y'all keep your square bodies rolling. We'll catch you later.